Bitcoin reached 58,000 area, as I mentioned for you in previous video. Let's analyze why we can take trades and why the drop had happened and what we should do right now. Remind to use it, that analysis I shared with you here in my public Telegram. It was exactly here where I mentioned to use it. The best area to take short would be exactly here, approximately at 63. And I expect reaching 58, 57 key zone. And what had happened with BTC at this moment, you can see that price nearly reached 63 and exactly at this moment reached this beautiful key zone. Remember to follow me on Telegram because part of my analysis I record only there and you will get updates only there. Open any analysis here in the description. You'll find this link. Go join. Let's analyze together. Let's, my friends, analyze together why the drop had happened. First, and the most important reason why I expected drop on BTC was this massive and significant delta spike. Often, such massive delta spike is a signal that there would be a reversal on the market, especially with drop in open interest. Why this stuff happens? Because when some people that keep short positions to get out from their short, they must buy back, and because of that they push price higher, and because open interest reduce, it means market maker use their liquidity as opportunity also to get out from their long that they took at bottom, and often after that price create a reversal. You can see that stuff exactly here, that after the significant delta price reverse, and here also biggest reversal what had happened after this significant delta spike. Let's go and let's analyze together what potentially we can do and what is my bigger plan. Support me with your like, subscribe, and set a notification to be updated about future BTC analysis. First, let's come back before, few days before, where I shared with you this analysis, where I shared with you my plan about potential breakout from value. Remember when I shared with you 2 days ago this plan, and it was exactly here. Let me show it to you. It was exactly this value. But I told you if price would start squeezing out from value, it can start a V-shaped recovery. And after that, you can see here, I wrote to you what's the difference between V-shape. And you can see during that analysis here, we tried to take this short exactly from this significant delta spike. And it was exactly the short at 53,800. And after that, when price aggressively, market maker added this open interest, I reversed and I took long here with my target was 63,500, but only small part I closed here, and most of my trade I closed here because I saw big delta spike, exactly this one with drop of open interest. Always it is end of a cycle, and I closed my long at 61,256. What about right now? What we should do? At this moment, I analyze this key zone, and like at this moment, this key zone is so important for us because if Bitcoin holds it, you can see that Bitcoin at this moment on a bigger time frame. This key zone is so important for us because price must hold it in order to continue this up cycle. Because if price loses key zone, it would be really bad and drop would go on. And how we can trade it. Honestly, the best for us as entry opportunity would be the same stuff that happened here or the stuff that happened here. I would like to show you two patterns that I would like to take it with our community. But before, I invite you to join our trading club, where on daily basis I share trading plans where people can take trades. When I see really awesome opportunities, I share trades like this one with clear stop loss, take profits. You can see here clear stop loss, take profits. After that, I share in what cases to move stop losses, take profits. Sometimes I share plans because if I am not at computer, you can also take trade by yourself. Even trading plan yesterday, 2 days ago, apology, on Ethereum, you can see how it perfectly played out since yesterday. Same about Solana. I shared to take short. Solana exactly reads this key zone today. What do you do? Open any analysis. Here would be join community. Open this link, fill the form, and after that, my team will contact you and help you to join and show to you all details. What do I plan to trade at this moment? First, my loan scenario, it is if I'll see some significant absorption at this moment. Imagine situations at BTC, create a range, and after that we can see a test of this point of control of this lower range. It is 56,866 level. Like at this moment, I would say Bitcoin reached this key zone. If I'll see some significant absorption at this key zone, I'll take a trade, and of course, I'll share a signal to our community. Let me show to you example of that pattern. I call it trap traders. Have a look. Nearly the same stuff happened a few weeks ago when Bitcoin did beautiful drop. And have a look what price did. Price did small consolidation. After that, lower low. And pay attention, huge delta with rise of open interest and cluster. Do you see that clusters here? The biggest clusters exactly into a bottom. That means someone absorbed all that sell pressure. And have a look what had happened after that. Exactly into a bottom, some sellers were absorbed. And what price did after that massive rise, maybe 10 or bigger percent, without any decent pullback. That means, once more, if something like this will happen here, because remember that according to my strategy, key zone is not enough. At key zone, there must be something, trap, liquidation, aggressive market makers that push the price. Only in that case, I take a trade. Because in other cases, win rate would be smaller, way smaller than if you use two confirmations together. Support me with your like and subscribe to this channel to start making money in trading. That's why, once more, first scenario, if they take this level and there would be significant volume spike, that would be just the best. Another example of nearly the same pattern, let me show it to you. It was exactly here. I remember that situation because I did live trading session, and during the day, it was I think the most perfect example that I took during so many time. What happened there? Bitcoin here, there was significant rise in open interest. Price came here, did big liquidation, and after that, powerful rise without any decent pullback. If something like this would happen, this also would be a good pattern that I also would take personally and would share with our community. Also, let me show to you different point of view, because you should always ask yourself what can be wrong, because there always something can be wrong. In what cases I will change my mind and become bearish? I will become bearish only in a case if BTC break below this area and start consolidating here, and this key zone would become powerful resistance. In that case, I would be bearish and I would consider taking trades for lower. Why I share with you different plans? Remember a video that I shared with you a few days ago. It was exactly 8th of August, where I shared with you my major plan to take short. But in a case of squeezing and breakout, I would take long. And the example for you, we tried to take short, but price failed. And after that, I took opposite trade. That's example for you how you must be flexible in trading, because we can't move the price. We only follow the price. And I try to follow what market maker shows to me. That's why, once more, my major plan at this moment to look for trap. If the trap would be confirmed, here we would take long with first target higher high, and bigger target could be even high of this entire range on BTC. If BTC breaks below fix, there must be at least 4-hour candle close here. In that case, all this plan would be failed, and we would use this zone as potential resistance to take short with lower low. Share with me your thoughts which plan will play out better. And here I prepared for you video lesson about that strategy that I shared exactly here with trap open interest to understand for you how to take it with clear stop losses and take profits. Watch this video lesson, make money, and see you soon.